beautiful, glowy. Get into it. Alright, so this will be my second time using my at-home microneedling tool. Love with this tool. It has my skin looking beautiful. It reduced these smile lines. First thing we're going to do is just remove the cap. I'm going to fill the top to this little line right here. There's a line on here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a little line. So I stop right there and then I just snap the cap back on. And there we go. I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. The directions are right here. You can also come back to my channel if you want to figure out how to use it. I already started my timer, so when it goes off, I'll be back. Now that 2 minutes up, I'm just going to pop this off. So I done emptied the cap. Now it's time to let the tool sit and dry for 2 minutes before we apply it on our face. Of course, you do start on clean skin and clean hands. I did use the Banish cleanser, and I've been using that morning and night. Now I'm just pressing and lifting the Banisher 3 to 5 times on the same area. So for instance, I'm gonna do my chin. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to repeat those steps all over my face. So I'm going to speed this up so we're not sitting here all day. And your face will start to appear red. Like, my face gets so red, but in the morning, girl. And they do have different sizes for different areas of your face and body. It doesn't really hurt that bad. I don't know if it doesn't hurt because I'm doing it to myself, kind of like, you know, being like ticklish. If somebody tickles you, of course you're gonna be ticklish, but if I do it to myself, you know, I don't feel nothing. So I wonder if it's not that painful because I'm the one doing it. But this is my first time ever like doing this whole treatment thing. I'm not sure like if they have a different technique or like if I will feel the pain more because somebody else is using it on me versus myself. But it comes in this little kit right here. I could show you guys later when I'm finished with the whole microneedling process. I like to make sure I like get all over my face, especially the nose and chin area. I feel like, girl, like I get the most blackheads and all types of mess in those areas. And also, I like getting my smile line because like those are where those fine lines are really prominent. Like that is where my aging is starting to come through. Oh my God, I can't believe it. But yes, like those fine lines are really, really terrible. So I make sure I really try to get these little babies right there. And all I'm doing is pressing on my skin and lift. Press, lift, press, lift. And you do want to do this on clean skin. And I'm warning you, you will see a difference within the next morning. Another thing I recommend doing this at night. I wouldn't do it in the middle of the day because one, after doing this, you like really shouldn't have that much sun exposure. 2, you don't want to apply any like products on your face after doing this, definitely not makeup. So that's why I like doing this at night, so I could do my little serum afterwards, go to bed, and if I have to wake up and do like a makeup video or just do makeup in general, if I'm going somewhere and you know I need a little foundation or something, then I can do that. But if you do it in the middle of the day, then it's just like and I'm really hoping that if I do this under my eyes, the puffiness will go away, but we'll see. A girl can only hope. Alright, so as y'all see, my whole face is like red now, and yes, it is kind of burning, but it's gonna go down. I'm not really, you know, tripping. And beauty hurts, okay? So it may burn now, but in the morning, girl, it's gonna be worth it. So anywho, now it's time to clean the tool and put everything away. So I'm gonna get this same alcohol and fill it up to that line. Then I'll place the tool, and I'm gonna snap that cap back on. I'm gonna let this sit for another 5 minutes. Now I'm going in with the Banisher serum, and this is the dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E. And this is like such a cooling sensation after doing that to your skin, and oh my gosh, y'all, my skin feels so tender. Not gonna lie, it does burn, it does tingle, but I'm telling y'all, the results are so worth it. Y'all are gonna see in the morning, okay? Girl! Girl, girl, girl. Okay, girl. Yeah, I need this to cool down. I'm gonna have to use my little fan. And now, it's time to go to bed and be beautiful. No, I still have way more stuff to do, girl. I gotta wrap this hair. I got a couple more things to do in my beauty regimen, my nightly beauty routine. So, not going to bed yet, but if y'all want to see that, let me know in the comment section below and I can get a video out soon. Next day, and as y'all see, my skin looks absolutely flawless. Like, I have on no makeup, no concealer, no foundation. I don't have on no sunscreen. Like, I literally have on nothing and my skin is glowing. It looks absolutely beautiful. I feel like, ooh, I got a little flyaway right there. Don't mind that. But I feel like my fine lines right here was reduced a lot. Like, yeah, I know I was telling you about these fine lines. Ew. But I feel like these have went down so much. And I had a little hyperpigmentation kind of right here on my face. And I seen that go down a lot as well. So this was only session 2 of microneedling. And my skin absolutely love it. It's looking absolutely stunning, beautiful, glowy. Get into it, okay? I'm so ready for summer. And one thing I found out with that tool is you can use it on your body as well. So I'm probably gonna try like my bikini line and areas like that, but I'm not gonna film that. I can't show y'all that. I'm gonna link these products in the box below so y'all can get to it easily. And of course, I got a code for y'all so y'all can get some change off real quick. So all that will be in a box below. I will see you guys in my next video. If there's anything else y'all want to see, of course let me know. I have a weekly vlog coming. I've been doing that, sorta, kinda. I've been trying to, like, vlogging is hard, girl. Like, you gotta get every second of the motherfucking day. Like, bitch, that's a lot, okay? Like, I can only do so much in a day, and I'm like living in the moment. Like, girl, I don't have time to pull out this camera every 5 seconds. So I've been trying to do my thing. I'm trying to do better. But that is it for today's video. And I'll see you guys next time.